Hello, my lovely students. How are you? This is Andri, and today I'm going to resume our chapter Androcles and the Lion. So, students, as I have already told you about the characters of this chapter, or you can say that the story. So, now let us proceed to the scene 1, Forest. Okay, so here first of all, the first scene we are going to start, that is in the forest. Okay, so setting means where all the setting is done. Okay, so in the forest there is a big rock that Androcles can sit on. Means there was a big rock placed that on that the boy Androcles, who was a slave, can sit there. Okay, so Androcles enters the stage rushing and panting. What happens? Androcles enters the stage means rushing. You can you know already, to related to the run, or you can say that Androcles enters the stage in the state of running. Okay, and panting means breathing hardly. So he stops at the middle and bends forward, means he stops at the middle of the stage and bends forward, means he bent in the forward action. Okay, as if trying to catch his breath, means as he was trying to catch his breath, means as I have already told you that he was breathing hard. So as he tries to catch his breath, he is carrying a water jug, means he is also carrying a water jug with him. Lion is lying down at the edge of the stage. Edge means border. So lion is lying down means lion was lying down there at the edge of the stage. You can say that the border of the stage. Okay, so narrator, you are about to meet our hero, the slave Androcles. Okay, so the narrator is saying that you are about to meet means now we are going to meet our hero. Who is the hero of this drama? The slave, whose name is Androcles. Okay, points to Androcles means he points out to the Androcles and says that you are about to meet the hero, means we are going to meet the hero, who is a slave, Androcles. Okay, life as a slave in ancient Rome was usually very difficult, means in ancient Rome, means in the ancient time in Rome, Rome is a country, and slave, meaning of slave is a servant who had no freedom at all, means life as a slave means life as a servant who has no freedom at all in ancient Rome, means in the ancient times in Rome it was very difficult, and he lived under one of the cruelest masters in all the city. And the Androcles, where he lives under one of the cruelest, means the most cruelest masters in all the city. Okay, so Androcles pants out of breath, means breathes hard out of breath. I think I am in woods now. I don't have to clean and wash and work whole day in master's house. This rock looks very comfortable for me. Drinks from his water jug. It's good to be free. Tries to sit comfortably on the rock. Okay, so students, here Androcles means as he was running or rushing from there, so when he comes there, what happens? He thinks that I am in the woods now, means I am he thought that he is in the wood, and now he don't have to clean and wash and work for the whole day in his master's house. He thinks that now he don't have to work whole day in his master's house. This rock looks very comfortable, means the rock which was placed in the center of the stage. He looks at that rock and says that this looks comfortable for me, and he sits there, drinks from his water jug, means he drinks some water from his water jug and says, it's good to be free, means he tries to sit comfortably on the rock. Lion what is this? The sound of growling, means the sound of a lion growling. Okay, so Androcles says that, oh, it's a huge lion, I can't run away, I am very very tired. So first of all, Androcles says that, oh, it's a huge lion, means Androcles finds that there is a huge lion, and as he was already very tired, so he says that I can't run away, I am very very tired. Lion roars louder and louder. After some time, it starts sobbing and moaning. So what happens? Lion roars louder and louder, means lion started roaring very loud, and after some time it starts sobbing and moaning. It means making a low sound because of pain. So, the lion started making a low sound because of pain. Okay, so lion, when I ran through thorn bushes, I got hurt. In my front paw, it's paining a lot. Makes a pleading noise and nods at Androcles. So, what happens? The Androcles moves towards the lion, and lion tells him that when I ran through the thorn bushes, the lion tells to him that when I ran from the thorn bushes, I got hurt in my front paw, means in his front paw, so it is paining a lot. And he makes a pleading noise and nods at the Androcles. Lion thrusts out paw for Androcles to see grr. Okay, so lion throws out his paw for Androcles to see, means lion shows his paw to Androcles. Androcles, oh, your paw looks very really sore. What he says? Oh, your paw means the foot of an animal with claws, or you can say that animal's foot with claws. Okay, and it looks very sore. Sore means hurt. Androcles looks at his paw and says that it looks too much hurt, or you can say that it is really very hurted. Okay, so lion whimpers. Whimpers means made small sounds of pain, fear, or sadness. Lion is making the sounds like pain, fear, or sadness. Okay, so Androcles, all right, maybe I can help you after all. So Androcles says to him that, all right, maybe I can help you after all. Okay, so lion settles down and makes a whimpering sound, then thrusts out paw to Androcles. So what happens? After listening to Androcles, lion settles down, means he controls himself and makes a whimpering sounds, then thrusts out paw to Androcles. Androcles says that hold still. Androcles move towards. Okay, so students, hold still means hold it without any movement. Okay, lion and grabs the thorn with two hands. I am going to pull it out now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Okay, so Androcles says to him that lion and grabs the thorn with two hands. means he grabs the thorn with two hands, means Androcles grabs that, okay, and saying that I am going to pull it out now. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. He started counting 1, 2, 3 and he pulls it out. Here we go. Okay, Androcles pulls back and pulls the thorn out of lion's paw. Lion moans, then roars loudly. What happens? Androcles pulls back and pulls the thorn out of his paw, and lion moans, then roars very loudly, okay, due to pain. Lion howls in pain. Oh, means the lion who was suffering from pain says, oh, okay. So Androcles, settle down. I still have to clean your wound. I will just cover it with some leaves for now and tie them to stop the bleeding. I'll get some water to wash it clean. There you might as well rest. Androcles takes a leaf and wraps it around the lion's paw. Okay, so here Androcles says to him that settle down. I still means I have to clean your wound, means I have to clean your wound and I will just cover it with some leaves and tie them to stop the bleeding. I'll get some water to wash that wound, and there you might as well rest. Okay, Androcles takes a leaf and wraps the lion's paw. Okay, lion whimpers and then starts snoring loudly because he was suffering from pain, so this happens. Okay, Androcles, yes, that's good. Get some sleep. I'll be back in few minutes with the water. Androcles exits. So, yes, that's good, means Androcles says to the lion that yes, that's good. Get some sleep means you have to take some sleep. I'll be back in few minutes with the water. Okay, so after that Androcles exits, means he gets out from there. Okay, so students, now let us start scene 2, that is prison. Prison means you can say that prison is a jail. Okay, or you can you can say that prison is a synonym of jail. Okay, so setting, a Roman prison scene means this is a scene of Roman jail, or you can say prison. Androcles is behind the prison bar. Roman soldiers stand guard. Master stands in front of the prison bar angrily with his hands on his hips. So Androcles is behind the prison bar, means Androcles is behind the jail and Roman soldiers stand guards. Master was standing there in front of the prison bar angrily with his hands, means locking his hands backside. Okay, so narrator, while the lion got better, Roman soldiers found Androcles hiding in the forest. They caught him and put him inside a prison. Okay, so here the narrator says that while the lion got better, means as the lion was got better, Roman soldiers found Androcles, means Androcles was a slave who escaped from his master's house. So the Roman soldiers found him and put him inside a prison. Okay, so master to Androcles, who is behind bars. So the master who is behind the bars, you thought you could run away from me, means master is saying that you thought that you can run away from me, means you can escape away from me. You are ungrateful. Rich means a bad person. Okay, so he says that you are ungrateful and you are a bad person. See what I will do to you, means you can see that uh, he is trying to make fear in front of Androcles. Okay, so see what I will do to you. You ran away, and after I gave you food and a place to live for free, why did you run away? Okay, so he is asking him that why did you run away? Okay, Androcles, every day I was beaten to my bones. I was often starved all day long. I am a human being. I don't want to be your slave ever. Okay, so Androcles answered to his master that every day I was beaten to my bones, means every day I was beaten, and I was often starved. Starved means to have no food, means every day I have often means he often has no food for all day long. I'm a human being. I don't want to be a slave ever. Okay, so warden to audience pointing to Androcles, means warden who was there to look after all the slaves, says to the audience pointing to Androcles, only a few are able to actually escape from their master. To Androcles, well, if you are so clever, you will have to fight with the lions. Warden says to the Androcles that, well, if you are so clever, means if you are so clever, you have to fight with the lions. Androcles, no, not that. The lions have pity on me. Don't throw me to the lions. Androcles says to his warden that, no, not that. Have some pity on me. Okay, pity means mercy, you can say. Okay, so Androcles asks him that don't throw me to the lions. Warden smiles wickedly and opens the prison bars. Takes him to the Colosseum. Colosseum means a huge oval-shaped theater in ancient Rome. Okay, so Warden takes him to the Colosseum. Roman soldiers takes Androcles out of the prison bars. Roman soldiers takes Androcles out of the prison bars to the Colosseum. Okay, so students, that's all for today, and we will continue the Colosseum scene from tomorrow. Okay.